सर are you सर शिव शर्मा सर और कोई फेडरेशन से कोई ज्वाइन हो रहा है?
Yes, yes, yes.
Shiv Sharma sir is here. I'll just unmute him.
आदि सब शायद ज्वाइन करेंगे.
Yes, he's already here. I've just unmuted him.
Nikita ma'am, Gizala is also here by name Giza.
Giza, G-I-Z-A.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. She's here.
Please unmute her also.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर.
गुड मॉर्निंग. कुरबाली कैसे हो?
बस बढ़िया सर. क्या हाल है सर? हाय निकिता जी.
Hi Krupali ji, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning, Krupali ma'am.
मॉर्निंग पूजा. हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, ma'am. I hope you are fine too.
Of course, we have already. Manoj is there today?
Yes, Krupali ma'am, good morning.
But
Yes, आदि साहब has come.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, good morning, ma'am.
good morning, Sharma sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Nikita.
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग शिव कुमार शर्मा जी.
You welcome. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, Sharma sir.
Good morning. Good morning, bete. Good morning, Pooja.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
How are you sir?
I'm good. Thank you. How are you all doing?
Good.
Nice to see you all here.
Thank you. Nice to see you sir. Nice to
Thank you.
do this work with you.
This program can be
Good morning,
successful
sir.
only with, the cooperation and the participation of people like you all.
Thank you.
Manoj has driven our other program for
Good
about
morning,
a month. Very efficiently did that. Now, turn of every one of you, one by one. You all do your best. So we start or wait.
Patania sir.
Yes.
Tanya ji, we can start.
जी सर. Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir. Now yes yes. Pooja will start.
Okay sir, so I'm starting.
Yes.
A very good morning to everyone. Before beginning the session, I would like to offer a guard of respect to my coach in gymnastics, Mrs. Varsha Upadhyay, who has made me capable today and because of whom I have reached at this level. I would also pay respect to all my seniors in the field of gymnastics who are right now present here. Mr. Rajinder Patania sir, Kalpana Devnath ma'am, Arjuna awardee, Mrs. Krupali Singh Patel ma'am, Arjuna awardee, and Chemburkar sir. First of all, I would like to thank our Sports Minister, Shri Kiran Rijiju sir, Sports Authority of India, DG Sai sir, our Regional Director, Shri Shiv Sharma sir, for starting this initiative of Khel Pathshala for the sportsmen all over the country. I would also like to thank for giving me this opportunity of being recognized as the program director. I, along with my team of experts who are also my seniors, Mrs. Kalpana Devnath ma'am, an international judge and Arjuna awardee, Mrs. Jasbir Babra ma'am, international judge, Mrs. Varsha Upadhyay ma'am, international judge and coach, we will come true to our responsibility and give our best to the gymnasts. With great pleasure, I also welcome our today's chief guest, Mrs. Gizela Filipova. She is the Technical Committee Chairman of Asian Gymnastics Union. We are pleased to have you, ma'am, over here, and I request you to speak some few words about the course and encourage our gymnasts.
Morning, dear friends, dear gymnasts, dear coaches. I'm happy to see all of you here today. Rhythmic gymnastics is a very beautiful sport which helps young girls to become very beautiful, graceful ladies. This sport will bring you not only beauty, but a strong character as well. I would like to thank sport authorities of India, government of India, Gymnastic Association, and Ms. Pooja for organizing this online education program. Is very happy that in this difficult period of health crisis all over the world, you continue to do your best for popularization of gymnastics in your country. I'm sure that this educational program will be very useful for our young gymnasts and will attract a lot of young girls to our very beautiful sport. I wish all of gymnasts to take from this program as much benefit as possible. And of course, I wish all of you to be strong, to continue physical exercise in spite of world health crisis. This difficult period will be finished soon, and I hope to see you on our rhythmic gymnastic competition. Stay safe. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, Gazala ma'am, for such encouraging words to our young gymnasts. And now I would like to request our Shiv Sharma sir, the Regional Director of Sports Authority of India, to speak few words about the program.
Thank you, Pooja. Pooja, thank you very much for guiding this program. Thank you, Madam Gazella, for joining us and blessing the children. Also, thank you, Shrimati, Amari Shrimati Sharma. I could see them. Shrimati Pathania ji, Kalpana, Krupali Madam, all of these stalwarts in gymnastics are there on this program. I just want to give an idea of how and why this program was conceptualized. The idea is not just COVID, because people can't come out. The idea is also to get the younger people to learn about gymnastics at grassroots level, because everywhere you don't have these facilities or your, so therefore, even in the villages, remote villages, the basics one can learn through this e-Pathshala. Once they learn basics and exercise at home, whenever SAI or the federation conduct their selection trials for STCs and NCOEs, these children can then be useful. They can be selected if they have the talent. So idea is to create a pool of talent. And I hope with people like you all coming on board, giving your time, giving energy, I'm sure we will be successful. Thank you very much for joining us. Thank you very much. All yours, Pooja.
Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. I would like to ask Krupali ma'am, Arjuna awardee, to speak a few words regarding the program.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, welcome Ms. Gazella for joining us on this session. And we are very pleased and core of my heart, we are thankful to you to have you here on this program. I'm thankful to Sports Authority of India, the Government of India, our Sports Minister, and Mr. Shiv Sharma ji, Dr. Rajinder Pathania ji. Under their guidance, we have started doing this program that is from grassroots level to developmental level, which is wonderful idea. And I think this idea will bring uniformity in our gymnastics. I can speak about that. It will bring us uniformity and discipline in gymnastics. So, and since this is, I mean, a sad scenario is going on in the world, and in this period we are keeping the players busy, which is wonderful social work. I think we people are doing all together, and we should keep on doing this. And thank you very much, and all the best, Pooja. She's doing wonderful work in Rhythmic Gymnastics of India. And thank you, Pathania sir. Thank you, Shiv sir. And thank you, Sports Authority of India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. And last but not the least, I would also like to ask Kalpana Devdutt ma'am, Arjuna awardee, who is one of the senior most persons in the field of gymnastics, who had begun rhythmic gymnastics through a platform called Sports Authority of India. So I would like her to speak some few words about this course. Ma'am, you are
आप unmute कर दीजिए मैम अपने आप को.
Unmute.
Kalpana ma'am, your mic isn't connected yet. We won't be able to hear you. Are you using if you're using a headphone, kindly reconnect it.
I think Jasbeen ma'am's audio is not connected, so we're not able to hear her. Kalpana ma'am's audio is not connected.
Nikita ji, can you connect her?
No, she has to connect her own audio, her headset or something. She has to do it by herself.
Mm-hmm.
Madam, बोलिए आप. You say something, then only we will learn. Start.
So what should I do? I should go ahead or?
We'll come again.
Kalpana ma'am, we can't hear you since your audio isn't connected. If you reattach your headset, we'll be able to hear you. Pooja ma'am, I think we can go ahead. Let Kalpana ma'am connect her audio.
Yeah, go ahead. No wastage of time. Yeah, go ahead. She can join later.
Yes. So, dear gymnasts and parents, you know, to reach a high level, our base, the foundation must be very strong. And in our program, we will definitely first learn how to make our basics strong. I'm sure by the end of our 2-month-long program, our participating kids will learn many new things and will be able to enhance their performance level, making their basics strong. The procedure and everything I would like to explain about the sessions. Our sessions will be conducted every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. with many experts of national and international repute. I also have my personal team with us who specialize in the fields of sports physiology from USA, physiotherapy, strength and conditioning, neurophysiotherapy, and who will be recording the development of each of the gymnasts present here. And by the end of our program, we will have a developmental graph for each of the gymnasts. At the end of each session, we will announce the topics of our next session and what will be the requirements. Accordingly, the kids can prepare themselves. Moving further, I would like to give some instructions to the kids and parents. I'm just opening my PPT so that
Pooja, please use bio language. Please use, because it is a grassroots level players.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
See, everything has to be explained in both languages.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. No problem. Okay. तो हमारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस है पेरेंट्स और जिम्नास्ट के लिए. जिम्नास्ट आपको 10 मिनट पहले ही क्लास के अलोकेटेड टाइम के पहले ही आना है. आप अपने यूनिफॉर्म में रहेंगे, जैसे कोई टी शर्ट या शॉर्ट स्लैक्स हो या फिर जिम्नास्टिक्स लियोटार्ड्स हो. आपका बिहेवियर जो मायने रखता है वो इस तरीके से होना चाहिए कि जिम्नास्ट मस्ट लर्न टू ऑब्जर्व. आपको ऑब्जर्व, लिसन द इंस्ट्रक्शंस केयरफुली and follow the instructions carefully. Today, we are in lockdown state and we are conducting online sessions. So, parents, I would like to request you that please be there with the gymnast for the entire session. As parents, try to keep your kids in the best possible way and help them understand the exercise or help them physically if needed. Safety is the most important thing. Safety बहुत ही important है और इसीलिए बच्चों जब आप perform करोगे कोई exercise तो try to use carpet or yoga mat and avoid direct contact with the hard surface. आप अपने पास एक वाटर बॉटल या नैपकिन रख सकते हैं ताकि जब भी आपको पानी पीने की जरूरत पड़े तो आप पी सकते हैं. Questions and suggestions are always welcome and they must be sent in written format with the parent's name, child's name and age of the child. आपके जितने भी valid queries होंगे, we will try and solve all your valid queries. Introduction to rhythmic gymnastics. I know ये grassroots level है, तो मुझे थोड़ा हमारे rhythmic gymnastics के बारे में बताना है, क्योंकि बहुत से ऐसे लोग join हुए हैं जिनको rhythmic gymnastics क्या है यही पता नहीं है. So, rhythmic gymnastics ये एक Olympic recognized sport है, जो individually भी कर सकते हैं और group में भी कर सकते हैं, जिसमें 5 तरीके के apparatus use होते हैं: rope, hoop, ball, clubs and ribbon. और जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, जैसे हम देख रहे हैं आज हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, उनके लिए फ्री हैंड एक्सरसाइज भी होते हैं. इस फॉर्म ऑफ स्पोर्ट में बैले, जिम्नास्टिक्स, डांस एंड एपरेटस मैनिपुलेशन का यूज होता है. आपके जो एपरेटस है वो आपके एक बॉडी का हिस्सा माना जाता है, कोई अलग एपरेटस ऐसे नहीं माना जाता. Choreography must cover the entire floor and must contain, उसमें jumps होने चाहिए, leaps होने चाहिए, pivots होने चाहिए और flexibility movements होने चाहिए. Rhythmic gymnastics एक बहुत ही aesthetic skill वाला खेल है, जहाँ पर आपका fitness, आपका grace बहुत मायने रखता है. After this sport is governed by Federation International Gymnastics. फेडरेशन का इंटरनेशनल जिम्नास्टिक्स एक बॉडी है जो गवर्न करता है इस स्पोर्ट को और डिजाइन करता है कोड ऑफ पॉइंट्स जो रेगुलेट करते हैं आपके इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स को, जैसे कि एशियन चैंपियनशिप हो, कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स हो, एशियन गेम्स हो, वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप एंड फाइनली द ओलंपिक गेम्स. Now I would like to show you a short video of this. I'm sorry. Thank you, everyone. So this was a little short introduction about what rhythmic gymnastics is. Further moving, let's start with our program, because I know kids are willing to start how we will perform, what we will perform, and they have many queries with them. So I would like to request Nikita ma'am, kindly unmute Sayukta Kale. I would like to welcome on board Sayukta Kale. She is our Junior Asian Championships finalist of India, and she has the highest score from India of about 15.100 at the qualifications. She's won about more than 105 medals since her age of 6, and now she is with us to demonstrate the skills of gymnastics for you all.
I have actually made her the co-host. I've also tried unmuting her, but I think her internet bandwidth is very low. She has unmuted herself.
Okay. Can you bring her on the main screen? Okay, great. Good morning, Sayukta. Hope you're fine today. Yes, okay. So, gymnast, we will start with our program. Kindly stand up, and if you have any chair with you, so kindly get the chair in front of you. Yes, very good. Everyone is getting the chair. Good. Okay, so now I will play a music. Okay, we will start our session with some interest.
सॉरी बीच में ना हिंदी बोलो.
यस सर, हम अपना जो सेशन है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे गेम के साथ. तो बच्चों, आपके साथ आपके पास अगर एक कुर्सी हो तो कुर्सी लाइए. वेरी गुड. अभी मैं एक म्यूजिक प्ले करूंगी. जब म्यूजिक प्ले होगा तब आप अपनी कुर्सी के अराउंड रनिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे, और जब मैं म्यूजिक बंद कर दूंगी तब आपको कुर्सी पे बैठ जाना है. ओके, म्यूजिक चलेगा, यू विल स्टार्ट रनिंग. म्यूजिक बंद होगा, यू विल सिट ऑन द चेयर. रेडी? Come on, start running. Yes, good. Stop. Sit on the chair. Good. And start. कुछ करिए, नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए. कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए. ओ कोई तो चल. Stop. Sit quickly. Very good. And begin. तू बेतरी या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध बढ़िए. तू बेतरी या मरिए. Okay, good, very good. So now we are starting with our first session, which is a warm-up session. Gymnast, warm-up is very important to increase the temperature of the body. आपका जो body का temperature है वो increase करने के लिए, आपके muscles और joints warm करने के लिए होता है, जिस वजह से आपके body के optimum level of movement होती है. लेकिन आज हम warm-up करेंगे, warm-up with music. ठीक है? Why with music? क्योंकि म्यूजिक एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है, इंटीग्रल पार्ट होता है रिदमिक जिम्नास्टिक्स के लिए. मेरे बहुत सारे डिस्कशंस हुए बहुत सारे इंटरनेशनल डिग्निटरीज के साथ, और जो स्टडी का कंक्लूजन निकला है वो ये है कि फंडामेंटल म्यूजिक लर्निंग ये इम्प्लीमेंट होना चाहिए बच्चों की ट्रेनिंग में फ्रॉम द इनिशियल स्टेज. क्यों? क्योंकि बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग मिलता है और एक कोरिलेशन डेवलप होता है बिटवीन द म्यूजिक एंड मूवमेंट ऑफ द जिमनास्ट. So let's start with our warming up session. The first exercise is neck up and down. Okay. For that, I would like to request Sayukta. You have I can see a teddy bear behind you. Can you go back a little bit and stand in front of the teddy bear? Yes. Gymnast. First, I would like to explain you कि एक eye level क्या होता है और neutral position of head ये क्या होता है. जब आपके आंखों के सामने आप कोई एक स्पॉट पकड़ते हो तो उसे हम एक लेते हैं, और जब आप आई लेवल पे देखते हो तब आपका हेड एक न्यूट्रल पोजीशन पे आ जाता है. ओके, सो न्यूट्रल पोजीशन ऑफ द हेड आपको समझ में आई होगी बात. अब हम एक्सरसाइज के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Sayukta, can you give us a front profile? Yes. जिमनास्ट, आपके पैरों में जो डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए वो शोल्डर डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए. आपके हाथ कमर पे रखिए. यस. और उसके बाद आपको आपकी गर्दन पीछे झुकानी है एक बार, फिर सामने देखना है वापस न्यूट्रल पोजीशन पे, और फिर आगे झुकानी है एंड अगेन न्यूट्रल पोजीशन. तो ये हमारा एक्सरसाइज है नेक अप एंड डाउन. हम यही एक्सरसाइज पहले देखेंगे म्यूजिक के साथ कैसे होता है, और फिर हम सारे बच्चे एक्सरसाइज कर रिपीट करेंगे. Sekta, can you play the music and start the exercise? So gymnasts, let's start. Are you ready with your position? आपके पैरों में डिस्टेंस है शोल्डर लेवल का, शोल्डर डिस्टेंस होगा. आपके हाथ आपके वेस्ट पे है, आपका हेड पोजीशन न्यूट्रल पे है. वेरी गुड. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट. म्यूजिक. One. Now the next exercise is neck side to side. Sani, look at the left first, and then neutral position, and right, and neutral position. जिमनास्ट, आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि जब आप ये एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो तब आपको राइट हैंड साइड पे भी नहीं झुकना है और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे भी नहीं झुकना है. ओके? आपको ऐसे नहीं करना है, आपको बिल्कुल सीधा खड़ा रहना है. आप सामने देखेंगे, ठीक है, और फिर ये एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. So let's start this exercise on music. One, neutral, two, neutral, three, neutral, four, neutral, five, neutral, very good. Very good. Now the next exercise, next side to side. ये एक वेरिएशन है जहां पर आप ट्राई करते हैं आपके कान को टच करने के लिए टू द शोल्डर, फिर वापस सीधे देखते हैं और यू टर्न टू द राइट एंड अप. इस एक्सरसाइज में आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है कि आपके शोल्डर्स श्रग नहीं होने चाहिए, मतलब ऊपर नहीं आने चाहिए. समटाइम्स हम ट्राई करते हैं कि कान टच होना चाहिए शोल्डर्स के लिए, इसीलिए हम अपने शोल्डर्स ऊपर ले लेते हैं. तो ये एक रॉन्ग पोजीशन बन जाता है बॉडी का. इस वजह से आप ट्राई करिए कि आपके शोल्डर्स बिल्कुल नीचे हो, रिलैक्स्ड हो. यस. और फिर आप ट्राई करिए झुकाने के लिए आपकी गर्दन, ताकि आपका जो स्ट्रेच है वो आपके नेक पे आ जाए. कैन यू शो वेयर यू आर गेटिंग द स्ट्रेच? यस, इस पार्ट को आपको स्ट्रेच मिलना चाहिए. ओके,